you doing? You hear Daisy bad words. Oh. Where you going? Where you going? Got my face, you little thinker. Where you going? Well, you say bye-bye. Are you leaving me? Are you leaving, Mommy? You go bye-bye? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Tell him. Say, stop that fussing out there. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Come here. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. All right. You see, Boop? Tell her hi. Herbie, leave her alone. Hi. I love you more. You saying bye-bye? You going bye-bye? Yeah, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No. Bye-bye, Tinker. Bye-bye, Tinker. Bye-bye.